Hello, hello again.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Maybe the
Nice to meet you.
internet a little funny.
Yeah, internet is something's problem.
Oh, okay. So anyway, John, San Francisco, California, Los Angeles, California. Now I'm living in Bangkok, Thailand. So who
Yeah,
are
you living in Thailand?
yes, here in the Sukhumvit Thongla district in Bangkok.
How is this
Um
today?
I like it. Today we will have rain. Not
Mm-hmm.
raining yet, but we will have rain later today. Not so hot, but
Mm-hmm.
it's a nice city.
Where are you in Thailand right now?
I'm sorry?
Where are you living in Thailand right now?
I'm in
Which
Bangkok,
city? Bangkok.
my home.
Abhi. Yeah.
Yeah. But I was
I'm from
born in go ahead, sorry.
I'm from India, southern part
Hmm.
of Tamil Nadu. Now living in Dubai.
Okay, so you're working in Dubai.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Now, are you from the area around Goa?
No, I am from Tamil Nadu, Chennai,
Okay, I didn't know if that was
southern part
near.
of Tamil Nadu.
Ah, okay. That area I don't totally know. Okay, great. And how do you like Dubai?
Yeah, very good now is very hot now there. This job market is slowed down now. This
Mm.
coronavirus and construction field is almost finished.
Oh no. Yeah, I think
Now, I think it will be after the city is will tourist place maybe the
mm,
construction field most of the.
we
How is
have a
the
I'm sorry.
Bangkok?
I was
Bangkok, how
just
is this?
I was just going to say we have a lot of construction jobs here. A lot.
Yeah.
Just right next door. There's like three big buildings just right here around my building. But
Mhm.
around Bangkok, a lot of construction happening right now. You know,
How many years
all
you living there?
I'm sorry.
How many years you living in Hong Kong, Bangkok?
How many people?
No, no. How many years you have been
Oh,
living
how
in?
I'm sorry. How many years have I been living here? Um, I first came here in 1990, the first
Mhm.
time, and I come every year. And I was in Vietnam for 8 years before coming here. Now here 8 years from 2013 to now, so 8 years in Bangkok.
How is the Vietnam?
I like Vietnam. Vietnam's
Okay.
good. It's different,
Mhm.
different culture, um, very different culture, actually,
You
very
like it?
different. I like it, but I prefer Bangkok. I prefer Thailand.
Yeah, you teaching in online classes or working
Yeah,
somewhere?
yeah. Well, I've been the tour leader and actor.
Mhm.
So, as
Mhm.
a tour leader, I run group tours through Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. 1 month tour. I do many years and teaching part time. But now with COVID, I'm online full time, and this is a new format, the Cambly format, or new for me, I should say.
How is the feel? How is the COVID pandemic in Bangkok?
Yeah, not so bad. Um,
Mhm.
we no longer have a curfew. We did have curfew before, but now finish. Um, we can travel anywhere in Thailand. We can fly south, north, anywhere in Thailand, no problem.
No problem.
Yeah, but
Just
cannot
control
leave.
the
Yeah,
just
cannot leave
maintaining
the
the social
country.
distance.
Yeah, the social distance they still do, and we have to wear the mask when we go
Yeah.
indoors in the market, on the SkyTrain, subway. But walking outside, no mask needed. Go to the park, no problem. Some people wear the mask all the time. Some
Mhm.
people do not.
How is the your country in US for
And the
corona pandemic?
oh, big trouble, big problem in my home country. Yeah,
Mm.
a lot of people. Um, there, there is so much different information
Yeah.
about the numbers, and
Numbers is up
there.
and down.
Yes, up and down, but the death, the people dying, not so much, not so much, you know. But the media, the news make, oh, coronavirus, second wave, oh my God. So
What do you think, Donald Trump?
I'm not I'm not afraid. I don't think big problem. We have big problem, but it's not the coronavirus. We have big problem with
With the
no
Trump.
yeah, no business, no job. Uh, that's big problem. No travel. That's big problem for many people. You understand, but
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, but the
But
coronavirus, I don't think so bad.
yeah, we can talk with the general conversation today.
Yeah, okay. Have you
What do you think the
traveled?
geopolitical, the now the scenario is going on Hong Kong and China, the issues.
Okay, well,
What will be happen in future? The China occupied the Hong Kong in China city. One more added
mm,
the
well,
capital city to come to the from capital city transfer to the communication city.
yeah, this
The
is
history
a
of the combination of the China never been anything. You agree with this?
mm, I don't know what to agree with because there is so much different information coming from China, from Hong Kong, from many different sources. So I honestly, you're asking me, I don't know what to believe. I don't know what to believe because so much different information. So I think Hong Kong should stay Hong Kong by itself,
Yeah,
Hong Kong.
that is
But
good.
yeah, that's my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you.
Mm, yeah,
But
but
the China will
no,
be erase the border. China will be
yeah,
occupied the one more city.
yes, and also
When
Taiwan.
the British when the British give the 1997 and release the China, the 50-year promise to uh, Hong Kong is will be separate the country.
Correct.
But
Yeah,
the promise, the China broke the promise.
yes, they did. You are correct. It's supposed to be autonomous, separate from China. But I was in Hong Kong in '96. The last year British have Hong Kong. I was in Hong Kong, and many people talk. They're afraid of China.
Mhm.
They say the British leave, the power British leave, then China will take Hong Kong. Many people say this, but and now we have the big Hong Kong riot, the protests,
Yeah,
and
it's going
many,
on.
yeah,
How
But
are the other country responsible? International community, what is the response?
mm, I think most people from most community, from what I understand, they support Hong Kong.
Yes,
Yeah, pretty much everyone support Hong Kong for sure.
sure.
China has so much land. They got so much
Yeah, already
country.
already there's so much land occupied. China is also the try to Taiwan also.
Yes. Now that's another topic. The Taiwan. I have many student in Taipei, Taiwan. Call me Cambly. Um, Taiwan is its own working country, its own democrat government. But China
Mhm.
does not like that. China says Hong Kong or Taiwan belong to China, and Taiwan say no, no, no. And Taiwan is very happy to have the U.S. Navy ship park in front of
Yeah,
Taiwan. Many U.S. military big ship come Taiwan. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. Come, come, come. No, no problem.
because of
But
the China will be attacked.
yeah, yeah, maybe, maybe.
Maybe the yeah, Hong Kong will be going again colonialism before the British occupied the hundred and more year. now will be China will be interfere.
Mhm. I think so.
Yes.
I think so. But again, I don't know exactly what will happen, but I do think that will be the case.
Yeah. How many countries you traveled there outside?
I traveled to, well, wow, all over Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Bali, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Japan, um, Canada, the same U.S. I'm trying to think what else. I think that in through Europe, that's.
Yeah. What do you feel that the traveling?
I love to travel. I think
You
travel
learn
is.
something?
I love the meeting different cultures, learning from
Yeah.
different people. India, I not go. I want to go India. I want to go Goa
Yeah, you
and
come.
and ride motorcycle from Goa all the way north through Delhi, go north into Kathmandu.
North to
On
south, you come and visit
yay. I want to go. I want to after Corona finish.
after pandemic.
Yes,
Sure.
a long time. But again, India is I not go. I want to go. Dubai. I'm curious. I not go, and I know many people go to Dubai. I think big business city in
Yeah. The
Dubai.
hub of the Middle East
Yeah,
business.
you know. Yeah.
When you go you back to home in US, you just come in Dubai.
Yeah. But
The connecting flight, just staying there 2 3 days and visit all the city on malls and back to
mm,
home.
yeah.
It will be good.
Well, I finished US in 2007. I leave Los Angeles. Everything finished for me.
Your family
And
in there or here in Bangkok?
no, I'm single man. No wife,
Wow,
no
single.
baby. Yes.
You didn't get married?
Yeah. I married before, but finish. No more.
That
Yeah. But no problem.
no
No
problem.
problem. Yeah, it's okay.
You enjoy
But
life.
I do mostly. Most of the time, I do enjoy life.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
When you back
And
to home, your home country.
I don't know when I go. This is my home country now in
In
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah, I cannot
Sure.
go. Cannot go. Right now only go
That
Thailand, but no problem. Yeah.
sure.
What about you? Where will you
I'm
go?
I am only the Middle East. I will decide move after the Corona pandemic. Will travel all over the world.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. I think our travel will be different
Yeah,
after the
I will learn
corona.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, something is restricted. Some rules will be applied.
Many rules will be applied, I think.
Yeah,
Many. You have to
sure.
have vaccination for,
Vaccination and injection something
yeah, for
after we can
universal
travel unless
travel.
it will be difficult.
It's going to be different. You have to have document. I am healthy.
Mm.
I have universal ID.
Some papers bring.
Chip in the hand. They do the RFID chip. Many people
Yeah,
do already in Sweden. In Sweden, the young,
already.
yeah, they do. You can Google RFID chip in Sweden, and many
What is the name?
people
RF
RFID RF chip.
ID.
Yeah, RFID chip actually.